Alright, so there's 7 basic principles in our world that are the essential, fundamental, inherent laws of nature. These 7 principles did not come as a result of each other, they already were from the very beginning. Basically how it is that there's this infinite sea of potential, like imagine an energy, and that's the first principle, which is mentalism. The all is mind, the universe is mental. And when we say universe, we don't just mean the physical matter, we also mean the abstract stuff, the frame, the blueprint that the physical stuff operates on that you can't see, but there are forces like that. The second principle is the law of correspondence. Sorry about that. The law of correspondence, as above, so below. I'm not sure what that one really means, but I do know that it basically means that what you're feeling down here is what you're feeling up there. You're always on the same page, and it's worth mentioning that your being knows where it is right now. It's exactly where it is, because the heat right now, where it is right now, is where it is everywhere else. So there's no you somewhere else that's not on the same page. The third principle is vibration. Nothing rests, everything moves. See my body moving, atoms are moving, the spiritual world is moving. Nothing is still. Everything is metaphysically or physically moving. The fourth principle, the principle of polarity. Everything is dual, everything has poles. What this basically means is that everything is dual, everything has poles, basically means that there's hot and cold, light and dark, black and white, sweet and salty. Everything that manifests has those two things. Why? So we can choose one or the other, good and evil, so on and so forth. That's the way of the world. There's always an opposite to everything, a polar opposite. The fifth principle is the principle of rhythm. Before I explain this one, I just want you to understand that these laws, all 7 of them, are inherent. They're all there from the beginning. They'll be there till the end. They're the eternal principles. So the fifth one, the principle of rhythm. Everything flows out and in. Everything has its tides. I don't know what this one actually means. This is the one that's always been most confusing to me. But I guess it means that everything has kind of cycles and flows, comes out, comes in, spiritual in, out, to the physical. Everything has its tides, just means that not just everything that's moving, but everything is changing, I guess it's what it means, right? Everything is changing and altering and summing up and crashing and like a wave. So everything is kind of moving and flowing. The sixth principle is and it's very evident, we see this all the time in our world, it's just change. The sixth principle out of 7 is cause and effect. Every cause has effect, every effect has cause. This is the most important one in my opinion out of them all, because it basically says everything that happens is either an initial cause or it's the effect of a previous cause. So when you ask yourself, what is what I just did? For example, me making this video. Is this a cause that I'm creating, or is this the effect of something that has happened already before? I don't know. You gotta ask yourself these things. And the 7th one is gender. Gender is in everything. Everything has its masculine and feminine principles. Everything has gender. Basically means everything has male in it and everything has female in it. Male and female being more than just the polarity, but them being a relationship. So these are the 7 laws of our world. It's important to know that there's more to this world than this, but everything started out with the principle of mentalism, that everything is this, and all the other ones kind of build on top of it.